So let's start. Today talk is about uplifting the grassroots using the FOSS communities. So it is about the decade story of the FOSS active FOSS community in Tamil Nadu. So me, Vijayalakshmi, and then Satish, we are from VGLUG Foundation. Next. So it is a geographic location of Tamil Nadu in India. So here we are located. So it is here. It is a district name called Viluppuram. So there we are promoting the FOSS among the general public. So this is the geographic location of Tamil Nadu and then Viluppuram. So not only a Viluppuram, so surroundings of Viluppuram and all. So there we are promoting the FOSS to the general public and people to the students. Next. So this VGLUG stands for Viluppuram GNU Linux Users Group. So it is a non-profitable organization started in 2013. It is an impression of worldwide free software, free and open source software movement. So it is an organization. It is a social movement that works towards the enlightening the mass with the essence of free software and to liberate knowledge. So our main objective is to take forward the free software and its ideology implication to all the corners of the country, from the developed domains to the unprivileged. So then we are creating the awareness among the computer users in the use of free software, and to take forward implementation and usage of the free software in the villages, schools, education and higher education, academic and industrial research, etc. So also we have a VGLUG. We usually work with the mission and vision. So we have a mission. So we have a vision. It's the movement that aims to bring the social and economic development to all the sections of the society with the essence of free software. And also we have a mission. So it brings the concept of the free software to all the people of our country, and use and encouraging the improvement of free software in the industry and academia. So it's the small introduction about it was a small introduction about the VGLUG. So today we are going to talk about these three things: FOSS into the mass, and the mass into the FOSS, and FOSS become a boss. So first, how we used FOSS as a tool to the mass. So how we promoted the FOSS to the mass. So how we worked. It is a story about the thing how we promoted the FOSS to the mass. Next. It is again. So we promoted the FOSS to the mass in the various ways. So we worked in a decade. So we conducted a lot of events, lot of workshops, lot of meetups, a lot of conference. So next. So it is about the weekly meetup. So we conducted a weekly meetups in Viluppuram and then nearby districts around Viluppuram. So how we started is promoting the FOSS to the students. We need a crowd. So at that time we thought to conduct a meetup. So what we did is, usually we did a campaign to the colleges and the schools. So it's we promoted the FOSS. Not only the FOSS and the FOSS tools and FOSS technologies to the students. So at that time what we did is, actually we took on space. It is an public schools or government schools or college. We took that place, and then we took on small room, and then so students are coming from the different various colleges. They participated in that meetups. So that it is a weekly basis meetup. Every week we have an agenda. So about a GNU Linux and the FOSS tools. So next. So it is the event Software Freedom Day. Every year we conducted a Software Freedom Day. So it is an it is a mass event. So every year, how we conducted is usually we are by using this we are promoting the free and open source FOSS to the general public, and then schools and colleges. But how we campaign? Basically, what we did is, so before the September month, we usually we took 1 week. So for searching the venues and all. So usually we conducted this event in a free government schools and government college. So we usually selected one government college or a government school. So we went every schools in Viluppuram, every schools and colleges in Viluppuram, and then we went nearby districts, colleges in nearby districts as well. So we campaigned. So what are the things we need to we are going to cover? So it's especially so we have a stalls like especially to the school students, and then college students, and then working professionals. So we were like it is like a science exhibition we conducted. So last year we conducted 10th year. So we it is a day we have conducted events around past 10 years. So last year 10th we celebrated a 10th Software Freedom Day in Viluppuram district. So it is a picture about the SFT we conducted in Viluppuram. So it is next we conducted events. So for promoting FOSS to the mass, we conducted an event. So it is first we conducted hackathons, various hackathons. So first thing is Wikimedia hackathon. So and then summer camp. We usually every year we are conducting a summer camp, and then Python hackathon we conducted, and then winter camp. So in Wikimedia hackathon we conducted like it is with the help of Wikimedia we conducted a hackathon. So we will see this thing later on. So and then summer camp, we usually every year we are conducting a summer camp. So in this like April to June. So in those 3 months usually we conduct a summer camp. So in this like there we usually selected one college. There we promoted the FOSS and FOSS tools to the college students. It is basically a 2 days event, 2 days or 3 days event we conducted. So and then Python hackathon. So here we conducted a lot of FOSS trainings like FOSS meetups and all, but we thought to like how the students are strong in a FOSS technology. So how we can use the students in projects, for FOSS-based projects and all. So for testing this, we conduct a hackathon with the students who are regularly coming to the VGLUG. So we conduct a hackathon. So there we developed around I think 3 projects. So it is and then we selected one project, and then we gave a prize also. So and then next one is winter camp. As same. Winter time we usually conducted a winter camp. So there also it is a 2 days or 3 days camp. So there also we selected a FOSS technology or FOSS tools we promoted to the college students. So next one is Kit Camp. Kit Camp is basically it is specifically to the primary school students. So there we conducted a we conducted a camp. So it is about the FOSS tools and FOSS technologies. There we promoted to the kids. So we used we taught to the kids about the FOSS, and then they worked in tools like Blender, video editing tool, and then so it is a small gaming tool. So they worked, and then they get familiar in the tool. So so by using that, so for later on we saw the school students who are familiar in FOSS tools by using this command. Next, it is about the Wikimedia hackathon. So Wikimedia hackathon we conducted with the help of Wikimedia Foundation. So they selected only two FOSS communities in India. One is like Hyderabad. One is in Hyderabad. One is they selected a Viluppuram GLUG for a grants. So we applied a grants. They approved, and then we conducted a hackathon. So by using this hackathon, we have developed tools for the Wikipedia. We developed around 4 tools in one day for Wikipedia. So later on we will discuss about that. This is next. It is about the conference we conducted. So this year Jan month we conducted a mini Debian conference in Tamil Nadu. It is a state level conference we conducted in Viluppuram. So we tried to bring all the Debian developers and then Debian maintainers who are working in India, who are working in India. So we tried to bring as a speaker, and then we focused academicians also who are working in a FOSS, who are supporting the FOSS, and then who are promoting the FOSS to the colleges. So we selected that academicians for this event, and then it is around 200 plus students are participated except volunteers and then speakers. So it is a little bites about the mini Debian conference. This is how we conducted a mini Debian conference. Hello. Okay. So this is how we conducted a mini Debian conference in Viluppuram. So next is we started a one of the big thing we started 2 years back. So it is 100 villages and 100 GLUGs. So usually by conducting the events and workshops and then conference, what we found is, so Viluppuram having a lot of villages, lot of panchayats Viluppuram having. So we thought to take FOSS to the villages. So we saw students who are coming from the villages, they are not participating this type of events because their economic background, their lifestyle is different. So they are in a below poverty line. So they are not having that much amount to, for every day, every week. We saw the absence of the students. Why? We found, we spoke with the students who dropped out from the weekly meetup. So we spoke with the students. What they said is, basically they are not having a money for spending this much, for spending the travelings and all. So what they decided is, so we for that only we started a big 100 villages in 100 villages, 100 GLUGs. So we plan to start the 100 GLUGs in 100 villages. So initially we started 5 GLUGs in 5 villages. There every week we are conducting meetups. We are conducting the events in a GLUGs. So this is the picture about the villages. We started in the villages. So like they are not having a place. They are not having a proper place to learn about these things and all. So they are not having a proper internet. They have so after the Geo arrival, they have internet, but how they are using it is a very big question. So we surveyed from that how the students are using the internet for studying the particular important things and all. So how they spend? So they usually they are spending that internet for videos, and then they are spending in their time in a social media. So we plan to use that internet for the proper way. So we selected the villages, and then we selected schools in a particular villages. So this is the place where they are studying, the things, not only the fast things. They are studying like day to day, like their school syllabus. Their school syllabus, and then TNPSC coaching, Tamil Nadu government exam coaching. This place they are studying. So there we usually conducted events in every weekly basis. So it is about the mass. After promoting the fast to the mass, what we can do, like by using that mass, what we can do. So it is about the thing, mass into the fast. So we have a student who having the knowledge about the fast. So after conducting this much event in 10 years, so we have a students, we have a volunteers. By using this volunteer, what we can do? We have to contribute to the fast. So for contributing to the fast, what we did is we developed these tools. We developed these tools. First one is like Spell for Wiki. So for Wikipedia, we developed a tool called Spell for Wiki. So we converted all the content as a voice, and then we uploaded to the Wikipedia. So by using this, people can hear the things. We hear the articles in a Wikipedia. So it was acknowledged by the Wikimedia Foundation, and then Sangha Ilakyam. So it is an application which is having an ancient Tamil literature. We can read the ancient Tamil literature in offline, in online as well. So it is like an online digital library. So we can read the ancient Tamil literature in that app. So and then quick wiki edit. So while editing the Wikipedia, we faced an issue. So we have to log in. After that login, we have to edit that entire page. We need to edit a particular article. That time we need to click on the edit button. We need to edit the entire page. So I don't want to open that entire page. I don't want to load that entire page. So we can correct that particular word by selecting that word. So for that we wrote a tool called Quick Wiki Edit. Then quick Wiktionary. For finding, in article, Wikipedia article, for finding the description or meaning of the word, we need to again check that word in like Wikipedia having the Wikipedia dictionary. We need to check it in a Wikipedia dictionary. That we need to search in other tab or other tab, and then we need to search in other platform. So for avoiding this, we can click on that particular word, and then we can do a right click, and then from using that we can find the meaning of the word by clicking the button in that, by clicking that particular word. So next one is Wikibulky. In Wikipedia, we are uploading the photos. We are uploading the photos and then words for a particular Tamil, whatever the language, words to in the Wikipedia. But after uploading the photos in a Wikipedia Commons, what we faced is, so I need only animals videos. At that time, I need to download all the photos in Wikipedia Commons. So for avoiding this, what we did is, we can select all the photos in animal category. We can do a bulk download, as well as we can do a bulk upload. So that's what we did. And then free Tamil library. So it is a online it is a digital library. We can read all the type of books, not only Tamil. We can upload other language books also. So in that we can read the book by using that app. So we can read that book in offline and online as well. So we can download the book. After that we can we can read in offline. So and then Vidi Tamil, it is mainly for visually impaired persons who are facing difficulties to facing difficulties to read the contents, right? So they are facing this issue. So what we did is, they can hear, they can upload that article to this app, in this app. So by using that, they can hear that particular app, particular article which they uploaded in this app. So and then Dr. MP Ravi Kumar MP. So it is an application we developed for social cause. So we developed for member of parliament Ravi Kumar. He is a member of parliament of Viluppuram district. So we developed an application. By using this, people can directly send a message to the MP Ravi Kumar about their problems. So about these problems surrounding their surrounding, what are the issue they are facing, they directly report that issue in that app. MP can see that issue directly. So they can chat with the MP by using that app as well. So it is fast become a boss. So can
hello. Yeah. So yeah, it is all about the activities we are doing in VGLUG in our district. Actually, not as a district, we are having it as a zone. Not only in our districts, we are also covering the neighboring districts as well. So the main issue we are facing with while running the community for a decade, right? The major issue what we usually face is the consistency of that particular, that particular community, the consistency of the people, their consistency in contributing back. So that is the major issue what we also faced. And how we fix is, we have taken a survey around the people who are all dropping out in the middle in their journey with the VGLUG. Right? So we have taken a survey and we found out that the major thing is their economical position. The people need to get stabilized in their economical position, and then only they can able to contribute back. Because the main motto of VGLUG, right? So we are taking the FOSS to the underprivileged people. I mean, whatever the tools we are getting, right? So what we are going to do to the people. So that is our main focus. So we got a liberated tool called free and open source software. So, and what we are going to do with that tool? Just to, that is a place where our vision will get little change. So we always take this FOSS, the liberated tool, to the underprivileged people to enhance them, to empower them with that tool. So that is what we are doing. So how the FOSS becoming a boss? So FOSS is ensuring their livelihood. So next slide, please. So we are conducting a trainings. After conducting the weekly meetups, right? So we found a very big inconsistency among the students coming to the weekly meetups, because it is completely free and it is completely open. It is all about themselves whether they can join or like that, right? So what we have did is we made an alternate thing to conduct the dedicated trainings on FOSS tools. So initially we have taken a Python. So in 2019 we have started like this, and we have started a initial training in Python. Around 400 plus people have registered. So we always ensure the thing to whom we are working for. So how we are ensuring the things? So after registering, after getting the registrations, right? So after getting in 2019 we got around 400 plus registrations, and with the help of 40 volunteers, we have made a call to each and every individual, and we have collected their social, economical background related informations, and we have scrutinized based on their need, and we have selected only around 40 students, and we have given a training on 2019. So after that, we followed by that, we have given a training on JavaScript along with Linux, and also the Python along with Linux and other FOSS, and JavaScript sessions along with Linux and FOSS. And so we are keep on getting many phone calls, and more people are wanted to enroll into this trainings. So that's why we have extended in this 10th year, right? So we have extended the sessions into 3 different sessions, and in this time we have got 1,000 plus registrations. Among the 1,000 plus registrations, we have called them to the place. We did an face-to-face interview, and we have collected their, in the interesting level and their social economic background things. And based on the data, we have selected around 120 students. So after selecting these 120 students, right, with the help of around 20 volunteers, we have reached each and every every individual's home. So we found that many people are living under, their shelters are like complete, made up of complete hut, and they don't have basic amenities to learn. So we have visited and ensured all their needs, and we have found a place, and there we have all the facilities to learn FAST tools. So it is our office, the top one on the photo, right? So this top one in the photo, yeah, that is our office. So with the help of many people, we always look for a crowdfunding. With the help of the people, we do have around 15 computers in the place, and with internet facilities, so students can come there and learn. So with the help of this training, around 40 plus students are getting placed in various firms every year. So after getting placed in their company, right, so they are coming back, and the tools what we have listed out, right, so those tools are written by those students. So initially we go to the village, and we found the people who is on actual need, and we will take them to our place, and we will train them with the FAST technologies, and then they are setting up their career in FAST, and they are getting out of their poverty, and once they came out from their poverty, and once they have settled down in their career, right, so they are contributing back to the FOSS. So that is how all the free software tools, what we have listed out, developed the tool, right? So those tools are completely written by themselves, those kind of students. Yeah. So next. So this is our current year plan. So how we are going to ensure the livelihood? So with the help of Debian. So this particular year we have started collaborating with Debian. So this year how we have planned is to deploy a support engineering crew in our zone. So every year we are conducting Software Freedom Day and various events where we can meet a general public, and we are evangelizing about free and open source softwares, and we are explaining the importance of Linux to the people. But still, they face some issues on using that Linux and free software tools. And we took a survey on in our district, and the result of the survey, what it said is the support, how they are getting the support for proprietary tools, especially for Windows. So the peoples from browsing center, library, even the government offices, all of them are using Windows. Why? Because they are getting support instantly with the phone call. So if they call for a support, dedicated support engineer from for Microsoft, they are coming and they are fixing their issues in their computer and make them running. So this is the place where we lags in the place of Linux. So that's why we have planned, we have giving a Linux administration training, what you have seen in the previous slide. So we have 60 students who are getting trained in Linux administration, and now we have they are almost going to get deployed as a support engineer in our zone, and they will provide an instant support to our district whenever they get a phone. So what we are planning is, initially we will support through a phone call, and we are slowly planning to extend it as a portal. So they can able to provide an instant support to the districts. They also provide a support to the neighboring districts. And so our ultimate goal is to make our zone as a Debian powered zone, Debian powered geographical zone. So we are doing it as a pilot for this year. So once we reach what we are planning, right? So after that, we are planning to extend to the complete entire state. Yeah, so almost over. So the entire state. So once we did this right, we can make our state which is completely powered with Debian operating system. That's our currently we are working on it. So these peoples will be, those 60 students will be placed as interns. So we can, stipend. We can provide like a stipend internship for every support they are providing around the district. So they can initially they can earn, so they can gain their knowledge, and after few years, the new set of people will come and they will take their positions and they will keep on supporting to Linux operating system. So using this, we can this is actually like a win-win opportunity. So FOSS can help to the people, and people can help back to the FOSS. So people people like us who are already aware of FOSS, we can take that FOSS to the people who cannot reach these kind of technologies, and we can pull them into this ground so that we can have a very big mass into the FOSS. Thanks. Thank you. Any questions? Yeah.
Was localization a challenge when you were promoting Debian among students and others, or even in the villages? What language would you use to talk about free software?
Yeah, actually, yes, of course, we do have some localization issues, but we are looking initially we are looking for the students, right? So they can understand the terminology. We can teach them in their native language. So learning, they are learning in their mother tongue, right? So they can get more deeper into the technical things. If we can provide only in English, surely they are going to struggle a lot. So we are teaching them in their native language. Any other questions?
Would you like to partner with others around the country to replicate your experiment?
Yeah, of course. So already we are, already we have partnered with Wikipedia. So what we are conducting various Wikipedia activities in our district, and we have already provided many Wikipedia contributors. So many Wikipedia contributors, and one who was selected for international conference on Wikipedia held it at Egypt, and same person got selected for a Singapore conference also, but fortunately he can't able to attend due to medical reasons. So yeah, many Wikipedia contributors are there. And also we have we already collaborated with my Mozilla Firefox, and there are lot of Mozilla Firefox contributors in terms of localization, both technical and non-technical things.
Hi, first a comment. Congratulations for your work. It's impressive what you are doing. And my question is, how can we support? And I imagine that you have some partners for hardware too. Like, how do you get hardware? And the students from those villages, do they have access to what kind of equipment? There are.
Okay,
And
so
can we do donations, or can you just, what are the doors?
Always, yeah, actually we are always looking for a crowd fund. So with the help of few peoples, right? So we have provided computers to the village GLUGs. So currently we have created, we have initiated 5 GLUGs in villages, right? So around 2 villages we have provided a computer, and the small kids were using that. We are always happy to see them. So in our office, in our the organization, we have an office setup. Like there, we have around 15 computers, and still we are looking to extend it for more, because you in the slide you have seen, right? So students don't have computers to work with it, so they first sit and learn, and in the free time they are coming to the office and they are using the computers to practice the programs what they are learning. So even the Linux administrations also the same thing is happening. So they are just learning the Linux shell commands, and they are practicing with those minimal number of computers we are having in the office. Yeah, we are actually looking for support. Like we will share a website that is vglug.org. So there you can find all the all the informations how you can support to us in terms of financial and other things also. So we have a contacts in the website. So yeah, we will share a website link, and also our contacts, both of our contacts. So anytime you can reach out to us if, in terms of collaborations or support, whatever the things. Yeah. Yes, this is our website. Actually, most of the content will be in Tamil, and actually we are working to translate it in English also.
It is a blog actually, so we are posting this in every weekly manner. So yeah, because every week we are conducting a class in the village we started. So after the class, we usually took a photo. After the class, we wrote a blog. So it is the website having full of blogs.
Actually, these blogs are maintained by the volunteers who are learning in, so they can improve their. It is not listed out here. We are still working to create those page wherever we are getting, who are all funded for us. So we do have the list, and we are working to maintain a page.
So they have their account number on the right side.
Yes. Can you scroll?
Yeah, they have their account number for people who want to make a financial contribution.
Any other questions?
Okay, thanks to
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you.